Welcome back, guys. Today we're gonna be playing airplane wars. So oh, it's regenerating the planes. Okay, I'm just going up. Well, how do we? I don't know, like get on top so we can like blast like long range. And also, like there's like games like this, like with boats, but they never add a grappling hook. That's like a cool thing about Flag Wars. Like actually, like. I need to check something. Let me just. Okay. We can go on top. Oh my God, we are losing. Oh, so it's a different team. I'm going to this guy because he's pretty low health. No. Let me go up there again. They're really close, so the grappling hooks definitely can go there. So. Hey, what did I grapple? What? What's happening? What? Do I like reset character? Will that like help it? Oh, it did. Good. Oh, yeah. Okay, can we? Oh, it's not destroyed. Not destroyed. Okay. On. Is somebody low health there? But like, how do you win? Is it just for fun? I think so. Go. Hold my sword. Let's go on. Place a bomb. Run away. Oh, that was. Oh. No. What do I do? Let's get a ladder. Place another bomb. Let's go back to red. Bro, I grappled hook that. How could it that not like firmly back on? That is weird. Oh yeah. Also, I have like a 10 subscriber special video, and I was playing Pet Simulator X, and I had 1 pixel demon. Now I have 5 of them. So I might make like another special, but it's gonna take like pretty long, but not that long. Wait, no, we gotta go to the their thing. Oh my God! Oh no God! No! God! Oh God! Go, my. Okay, join the plane. Let's go. Okay, it's regenning. But it already regened. What? Okay. Entrance? Yes. What? Oh, there was a door there the whole entire time. I'm so dumb. I need to regen my health until I go. So I need to break 3rd base a bit with my RPG. I didn't even hit myself. This game on e-source. I am so weird. Oh God. Wait, is there? Oh no, it's breaking. We gotta go. No, they're all there shooting at us. Shoot him! Die! Retreat! Wait, where are my teammates? Oh, they're there. Oh, come back up! There's somebody in our thing! Sacrifice! In our base! Help! I'm stuck in debris. Okay, let's reset. Let's go. Okay, we're not stuck in debris. I think if you're playing this game and if you want tips, definitely do not stay in the airplane. Definitely not. Just stay on top so you can bomb them and just like self-destruct the plane. If like if your plane just gets run over and they can't find you, you can just self-destruct the plane with your own bomb. Yeah, but why are they doing like Cody? You can't like destroy your own stuff, and you can hurt your teammates. That's a really bad thing. Look, you can hurt yourself. Yo, look! I just killed her. Why did they add that to the game? I'm coming to Ufa. Oh, got him. Self-destruct. Go back to my red plane. Go back to my. What? I grappled there. Okay. We're actually winning this. So, oh my God, it's run over. Self-destruct. Oh, chug. That self-destruct definitely did not work. Ah, explode. Why is it? They put it in. Grapple. Wait a minute. I almost made it like a clutch. Okay. Let's regen. Okay, let's make a door. Yeah, right here. Don't we gen, like, why don't they? Wait, they do have a door. Just right over there. Okay, so, first of all, let's delete their part right there. Okay, that's a nice hole, so we can, like, grapple in. Oh my God. Get a hole. You always have to use the grappling hook when like situations happen, like your plane flips. Look, it's so useful. Or look, I could just slide down. I wish there's like a sprint button, but sadly there isn't. It's really easy to make a sprint button. You just need to go to the Roblox 2 box in Roblox Studios, and you can just find it. It's called sprint on and off. It's really good if you don't know how to script or code the sprint button. That's why Roblox added. Oh, that was actually a good sniper shot. Oh, let's kill that guy. There's who else? Yeah. It's a sniper shot. Uppercut. Why is someone grappling hook me? Oh! Another good shot. Why didn't that lower his health down? But that was a good shot. This bacon hair, can you stop? I know what to make this. I need to regen my health. I can't mess around with this RPG. If I can manage it. Okay. Oh, finally, I got a hold. Let's see how flipped our paint is. Oh, no, it's not safe. This is not safe. Stay inside if you're low health. This is another tip. Next tip. Oh, my God. Grab a hold. Oh. Always grab a hold when this happens. Always. And then you can survive. Look, I'm surviving. Oh my God, if they break in, you go to the next side. Yeah. Okay, if this happens, go to first person, it's way. Go on the rooftop. And, oh my God, this brick's collapsing. Go on one brick, and there. Whoa! Oh, jeez. Okay, we're back. What do we do? Let's go here first. Let's go for the door and not break our plane. So we have better surroundings, and they might be dumb to break their things. Let's do my sniper. Oh my God! Oh, we're cutting. They're coming! Where are they? Ah! Run! What do I do? What? I don't know what. They're over. God. I need to do some more sniper shots. That's what's holding them. No. stay inside. How do you go back inside? Go in the door, in the door, in the door, in the door. Yes! Oh no, there's so much debris here. How do I escape? There's too much debris. Let's climb up the ladder. Oh my god, and do some uppercut shots. We gotta go there and help our teammate to do some uppercut shots. Oh, that almost hit him. Oh! Oh, yeah. Here. Oh. I literally didn't hit myself. You're Shot. Oh! No, no, sure! Oh! Clutch and go back here. Go back there. Yeah. Hold down your own plate because they might break you. Go down a bit and go this way. OMG. I almost died. But I was smart and I did it. Oh my gosh. We gotta do a self-destruct bomb. Okay, jump. Oh, yes. Jump. Oh, no. Jump! Ah! Get on here because this floor is indestructible. No one can break it open. Except the secret item. Oh! Always shoot there when you're snipering. Always. Okay, let's go for the door. Go through the door first. Let's do that to all the blue planes. Let's do that. Okay, let's go here. We're here. Shoot the side. Look that damage. Don't care about my applications. It's pretty weird. I don't know how I got there. Ah! Be careful with the sniper. Oh, yeah. I was shooting the plane, shooting at the wing, so it's like it's gonna like rotate. So it's be harder for them. That's where you actually should shoot, not there. It was like shoot all of the. Oh! I didn't even do it. How am I missing my shots? I cannot be missing. I am a sniper god. Oh, I take that all back. Okay, we're back. Let's take the wing again. We can't break the wing then. What got them to fail? Like, how? Like, they're... Oh, I know. No. Oh, shoot. Get a stable. Get a stable. Go on the stable. Up. Up. Up stable. Get it up stable. Up stable. Oh. Oh, Jesus. Jesus greases. Get my sniper rifle. Ah! It's RPG. Why do I... It's an RPG. Why do I... They're all going to our base. Let's self-destruct and run away from our own airplane. Go there. This game! Ready up my soul, my... Okay. Retreat. Retreat. Where do we retreat to? Where do we retreat to? They're playing. They're wing. What? Yummy, man. This game, like, hates me. Oh my god. I played this before. Oh my god, get off the stair! Ugh. I don't want tips. I want wins. Here? Okay, let's go. Do not use your RPG at the start of the game. Because they break their own airplane. That is good thing. Bro, we're already sliding downwards. Ugh. We're like, why did I get stable, bro? Wait a minute. Oh! This clutch. This is the most... This is the best clutch I've ever done. Anti-cheat. Best. Next video, it's something... I'm gonna make a Bed Wars video. Yeah. Okay. Maybe that's enough sniper. Why? Why does she have to do that? Is that... If it's... I'm not, being friends with that, like, builder guy. Like, if you only destroy the front, it won't do that many damage. The best thing you gotta do, grab a hook here, on the staircase, with somebody. That is... Oh, God. You gotta be soft with somebody for this. So, yeah. And... Go up. Our teammates like die, or basically, like, what? I'm going with my teammate. Let's go. Going. Greases, pieces. Adios. Oh, that was like plane clutch where I like grappled so I didn't fall off the wall. That was amazing. Oh, our plane regen. Okay. What we I think, look, go there. And decapitate. Shoot it. Okay. Now you have a go in. Jump and put a bomb, and then kill yourself. Yeah. Yeah. I only giving like tips and tricks. Oh bad. Look how destroyed it is. Look what that did. So if you want to farm wins, definitely. Wait, is there like a kill? There's a kill leaderboard. Oh, God, aces. Take that, bacons. That did nothing. Okay, got some. It's all about kills in this. I think I have to end this video. So, BB.